In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate calendar events in Notion. If you use Notion's calendar view to plan your tasks, meetings, or content, being able to duplicate events is a huge time saver. Instead of manually recreating the same event over and over, you can set it up once, then let Notion handle the repeating copies for you. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own workspace. Start by opening your Notion page that uses a calendar view. This might be a task tracker, a content calendar, or any database that's displayed as a calendar. At the top left of the calendar, you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on New to create a new calendar event. This adds a fresh entry to your database tied to a specific date on the calendar. Once the new event opens, you can give it a title and adjust any properties you normally use, like tags, status, or assignees. Think of this as your template event because this is the one Notion will copy for you on a repeating basis. Now look for the three dots menu, usually located in the top right corner of the event window. Click on those three dots to open the options menu for this specific event. This menu is where Notion hides some of the more advanced controls, including the one we need for duplication. From that menu, find and click on the option called Duplicate Every. This tells Notion that you want this particular event to repeat automatically, instead of staying as a one-time entry. When you click it, Notion will show you a set of choices for how often you want the event to be duplicated. Here, select the repeat interval that fits your needs. For example, you might choose daily for a recurring habit, weekly for a regular meeting, or monthly for a report or billing reminder. Take a moment to double check that the timing makes sense because every future copy will follow this pattern. If your calendar uses a date range, make sure the start and end dates are correct before you move on. Once you've chosen your preferred duplication schedule, click on Save. This final step confirms your settings and activates the repeating event. From now on, Notion will automatically create new copies of that event on your